In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create charts in Microsoft Excel. Creating charts in Excel is one of the easiest ways to turn plain data into something visual, clear, and much easier to understand. Whether you're working with sales numbers, performance results, or any simple table of information, a chart can help you spot trends and compare values much faster than reading rows and columns alone. To begin, select the data you want to use for your chart. Make sure you highlight the entire table, including the headings at the top. This is important because Excel uses those headings to label the chart automatically, which helps make the final result more readable and organized. If you leave the headings out, your chart may still work, but it could be missing useful labels. Once your data is selected, go to the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps the tools for adding visual elements, including charts. After opening the Insert tab, look for the Charts group. Here, you'll see several chart options that you can choose from depending on how you want to present your data. Now choose the chart type that fits your information best. Some common options include a column chart, bar chart, line chart, or pie chart. Column and bar charts are great for comparing values across categories. Line charts are especially useful when you want to show changes over time. Pie charts can work well when you're showing parts of a whole, although they are usually best when you only have a small number of categories. Choosing the right chart type can make a big difference in how easy your data is to understand. After that, click the chart style you prefer. Excel will automatically create the chart for you based on the selected data. This gives you a quick starting point, and you can always adjust the design afterward if needed. Once the chart appears, you can customize it to make it more polished and informative. You can add a chart title so viewers immediately know what the chart is about. You can also add axis titles to explain what the horizontal and vertical axes represent. If you want to make exact values easier to read, display data labels directly on the chart. You can also change the chart style or update the chart colors to better match your presentation or make the chart easier to read. And that's how to create charts in Microsoft Excel. With just a few clicks, you can turn a basic data table into a chart that looks professional and communicates your information much more effectively.